Rainy River. A new paper company born of a proven industry leader, Boise Cascade Corporation. Over the past 10 years, more than $800 million have been invested in our 3 mills to reduce costs, to diversify into higher value-added products, and to increase capacity. Financial analysts agree that the world's major economies are entering a growth cycle which will stimulate advertising, increasing the demand for groundwood papers and both virgin and recycled newsprint. Poised to capitalize on this market momentum, Rainy River is ready to roll. Rainy River is one of North America's foremost producers of groundwood paper for newsprint inserts, catalogs, paperback books, and magazines. We are expanding production capacity in the grades with greater demand and higher margins. Our uncoated groundwood papers, produced at our mills in Fort Francis and Kenora, are recognized industry-wide for their quality. Rainy River enjoys harvest rights to over 1.2 million hectares of timberland in Ontario. We own 6 hydroelectric dams and host an on-site cogeneration plant. Our levels of energy and fiber self-sufficiency are assets for today and the future. The Fort Francis Mill is an industry leader in the low-cost manufacture of literally hundreds of different groundwood paper types produced to exacting customer specifications. Our highly skilled workforce is the key to our leading position in this high-growth sector. Nearly 40% of the world's newsprint production is consumed in North America, where our operations are ideally positioned. With an agreement to market newsprint from Boise Cascade's Louisiana plant, we have production capacity in 3 of the 4 major sales regions and sales offices across the continent. Our Kenora mill produces both newsprint and groundwood papers. We have modernized all 3 paper machines and modified the sulfite pulp mill to produce ultra-high yield pulp. With the completion of our new recycled pulp plant at Kenora, nearly 90% of Rainy River's newsprint production could contain up to 40% recycled fiber. Recycling facilities allow us to meet the increasing market demand for recycled content newsprint. We are firmly committed to meeting environmental regulations. With the completion of the treatment facility at Kenora, all of our operations will meet or exceed all existing environmental legislation. Our West Tacoma mill in the Pacific Northwest produces recycled newsprint. Nearly 45% of our fiber requirements for this mill come from recycled pulp, and most of the remainder comes from residual wood chips, supplied under a long-term contract with Boise Cascade. With our modernized mills, high level of energy self-sufficiency, and reliable supply of high-quality fiber, we are strategically positioned in the uncoated groundwood and newsprint industry, ready to maximize leverage on the economic recovery. Rainy River is ready to roll.